This is something I'm noticing and I hope it helps you. Tomorrow is our first PBT Institute VIP retreat. I have people flying in from all over the country, actually from out of the country. And then we have Storm Olive coming. So people are asking me, well, aren't you freaking out and aren't you worried and aren't you nervous? And in the beginning I was, but then I realized, you know what? If you've been through betrayal, this is nothing. So, we talk about weathering the storm, and I'm talking about big capital B weathering the storm. So if you've been through betrayal, take a look at things in your life that beforehand may have been a really big deal, but there's something about after you've experienced what you've experienced, after you've been through what you've been through, it's sort of the perspective changes. So just for fun, take a look at things in your life now that come up and remind yourself of how the old you would have handled it and how this new evolved version of you would handle it. Because here's the thing, there are only certain things we can control, other things we can. I know at this retreat, it is for people who are in stage 3, maybe stage 4, and I am not so gently pulling them through stage 4, 5, and beyond. It is all about transformation. I am so excited, and I am really looking forward to helping them weather this storm because they've weathered the biggest storms of their lives already. So just perspective is everything. Give yourself credit if you haven't already. Betrayal is one of the most painful of the human experiences. Weather, other stuff, it's nothing. Hope that helps.